Presenting the Tecno Spark 7 Pro smartphone gives a superior experience in every aspects. It is available in Alps Blue and Magnet Black. The phone comes with a 4GB RAM plus 64GB internal memory and 6GB RAM plus 64GB internal memory for a smooth performance while playing games or switching between multiple apps. Tecno Spark has a 6.6-inch dot-in IPS display with an 89.5% screen-to-body ratio for an uninterrupted viewing experience. With 1600 x 720 pixels resolution, the phone delivers vivid colors and clarity. It comes with a fingerprint sensor, allowing you to unlock your phone instantly and securely. It also has special features like App Twin, Audio Share 2.0. The phone features a 48-megapixel AI triple camera with main camera AF 48-megapixel, portrait camera 2-megapixel /3p/f2a and AL lens 1pf/2.0. It also has many features like dual flash, super night shot, eye autofocus, smile shot, video bokeh, video beauty, wide selfie, short video in the front and the rear enables super night shot, smile shot, time-lapse video, slow motion, video bokeh, video beauty, eye autofocus to capture the beautiful memories. Powered by Android 11 operating system with Helio G80 processor at 90Hz refresh rate, this phone gives a smooth performance during games and video playback. The phone has a 5000 mAh lithium-ion battery with 35 hours of phone talk time and 34 days of phone standby time. The box includes smartphone, charger, USB cable, SIM ejector and TPU cover. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.